Hi friends, here is some data analysis for the week. We're still waiting on 2 people that have not tested up there. See the gray? That represents 2 non-tested people, okay? We need you this week to show up to your assessment. So now the dark green represents people that have mastered that capital uppercase letter name. And then we're going to take a look at the least known letters today, okay? Letter N and letter J. Those are the least known capital letters in our class. That capital G, maybe write that down and put it on your wall if you're in this band here, okay? Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the lowercase letters. Okay. And, ooh, that G is sneaky. So that fancy, what I call the fancy book G, is the least known letter in the class, followed by the letter Q. Ooh, that Q without that fancy arm or leg sticking out. Yes, that is tricky. And then letter J again, followed by book A, or what I call fancy A. So maybe put these up on your wall. If you need credit for time, this would be a good use of your time. Write these letters down and quiz on them. Practice writing them. Talk about them. Write about them. Right? Now let's take a look at, I don't have enough data on the math if you're wondering, well, why am I going on about my language arts? Well, it's because we've had such a hard time getting a hold of some people to follow through on their meetings. We do not have enough data on the math yet. We're still waiting. Maybe in a couple weeks we'll have good data. But let's take a look at sounds. Oh, yes. The U sound, ah. The I sound, I. And then Y, ya. So this is what I recommend, and this will give you time and credit. Re-watch The Letter Factory. The Letter Factory by Leapfrog. I'll send it over on a link. Re-watch it. Every time you watch that, you get credit for time credit for that. And that's how you're going to pick up some of these sounds. Also, you can watch me do Alpha Hardy again, and then you can practice Alpha Hardy on your own. So this is another way to get your time in. Let's take a look at lower case sounds really quick. See if we have any. Oh, that G again. Oh my goodness, G, you're an outlaw. So the sound is ga, ga. Tied with G is the U sound, ah. Okay? So let's write these down. Let's rewatch The Letter Factory. Let's rewatch Ms. Carr doing Alpha Hardy. Let's rewatch Alpha Hardy without Ms. Carr and do our own movements. Let's rewatch Barbara Milne's Apple, Apple, ah, ah, ah. Let's rewatch that with our chart. Okay? That could give you a lot of practice, and that's what we really need.